I be killing bitches till the end of me. Choking on your words, tell you when it's gonna hurt. I'ma break your heart, Freddy gonna make you fucking split.
What the fuck was that, Fred?
Consequences heavy, are you bitches ready? Step into my Chevy, aiming very steady.
Hey, watch this, ready?
You ain't scared now. You ain't fucking fake, you can't relate. Calm down, stop that bitch shit, you never.
It's a high tech.
It's Bluetooth.
Why would I shoot my foot?
It's Bluetooth.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
I'm not shooting. I'm not shooting. It's called Ricochet. Which one's our color? Which one's red? Do we have to go up or down? What?
What's that shape?
Left. Right's annoying me too much. It's just 3 rentals, they sit in corners and bank kill.
Break him! Alright, let's go. Fuck. Yeah, let's just bang killing everyone. I think it's broke now. You're pulling on it too much, dude.
I'm not pulling it for shit.
Hey, stop doing that.
Doing what?
Try not to pull on it so much.
We both shot him at the same time.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I shot him twice in the back and he pumped it.